Well, the dramatic jump in LA County cases comes as USC studies finds far more people may have been infected than previously thought. KCAL9's Dave Lopez explains.
As we enter week 6 of this pandemic, a lot of numbers to look at. From a record high 81 deaths on Saturday to today, 17. We now have an idea how many people in the county have antibodies from this virus in their system and the number of new cases.
We're reporting an additional 1,491 positive cases today.
That will be a shocking number if it were for one day, but it represents a backlog of nearly a week.
1,198 of these positive cases are from the backlog.
And the long-awaited numbers from the serology test, the test to determine how many people have antibodies from this virus.
The number of true infections based on the study is 40 times larger than the number of confirmed cases.
Of the 900 adults tested, the results, 4.1% of those tested have antibodies in their system. That calculates to 221,000 to 442,000 people have had the infection. That estimates to up to 55 times higher than the actual number of cases reported in the county, which today stands at just under 14,000.
Being positive for COVID-19 antibodies does not mean that a person is immune or that a person is not able to be reinfected.
Is there anything encouraging what you found about this study?
About 5% of Angelinos probably have in fact at some point in time been infected with COVID-19. That means that there are 95% of us who have not. So you could look at that both ways. We've done a great job slowing the spread. Part of this that's hopeful for us, it is that the mortality rate now has dropped a lot.
The current mortality rate in the county, over 4%. But based on this new study, it drops dramatically.
To more like either 0.1 or 0.2%.
If you put out a reminder, the sun will be shining and the weather will be warm, but
safer at home order is still in effect.
Not to mention all of the other restrictions we must live with. Into week 6, and the fight goes on. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, KCAL9 News.